Hello, my name is Daniel Archer, and I will like to demo you my Archer Life suite of applications. Essentially, it's an app made. It's three different apps made with three different languages, and they're all meant to be one aspect of my life and my health journey. All right. To start, basically, this was me in 2024. I was pushing 200 pounds, and I've never tried to lose weight. Like I've never actually gave it an attempt, and so I downloaded this one app, MyFitnessPal, and in just a year's time, I ended up losing weight. This is a picture of me. This is a picture of me at my high school graduation, 2024, and this is a picture of me at my Launchpad Philly graduation. Launchpad Philly is essentially the program that taught me how to code. And the thing that really helped me the most about MyFitnessPal is how strict I was with it. Basically, I would use MyFitnessPal every single day and log my calories, and I wasn't really aware of things like oh Mediterranean diet, oh keto diet. I didn't know about any of that. All I knew was the app said, hey, eat this many calories and in 5 weeks you'll be this weight. Eat this many calories and in 10 weeks you'll be this weight. And so I said, you know what? Let me try it. And then I just started dropping weight. And so I wanted to create something that could help people, something simple that just tells you exactly what to do and could tell you, hey, if you do this, you'll be this weight. Hey, if you do this, you'll be this way. So keep up the good work, and if you're bad, then don't keep up the bad work. And so that's what this app, Archer Health, is. Essentially, it lets you find food. Like, let's search for pepper jack, pepper jack cheese, right? Had to hit enter. All right, pepper jack macaroni and cheese. And oh, here we go. And we can save it and we can log it to our food log for breakfast, right? We can do this with many foods, and it's all sourced from the FDA. And if a food that you want is not inside of our database, you can create it. You can also create meals from different foods, and you can quick add your calories. It's a very simple application. It's also open source, so you can, download the source code and seed your own data from the USDA if you don't want to give your data over. And also, we have recipes, so you can find recipes. And these recipes are from the MillDB. And also, we have video demonstrations on how to watch it and tags, for instance, if it has shellfish, which is interesting. Okay, I don't know why shellfish show with that, but you get the point. You also can check your progress, for instance, your calorie intake daily, your weight trends, your daily nutrition goals, and your consistency. And now let's take a look at Archer Agua. Now, Archer Agua is Archer Agua is a lot of things. Two-factor code. Okay. It's very simple. I don't know why I'm dragging it out. It just allows you to track your water and add in water things. Water is one of the most important things to being healthy. In terms of in terms of like a hierarchy of from top to bottom, the most important thing is how you eat. The second most important thing is how you drink, how you work out, exercise, all of that. It's not as important as what you put into your body. Right? Your input is far more important than your output. And so Archer Agua is just a simple app for free, simple website that you can go to that just tracks how much water you take. It also has location-based tracking to make sure that you're consistent with how much water you should be drinking. And last but not least, my personal favorite is Archer Fitness. This is the first of my Archer Life Suite applications that I've built, and in my opinion, I feel like you can tell it's my favorite. For instance, we have a leaderboard. You can play a progression based game to teach yourself different sort of exercises. To teach yourself one handed push ups, one arm handstand and archer handstand push ups. I honestly I don't know why I made that the endpoint. That sounds crazy, but I think it's really impressive to do a one handed arm handstand and pistol squats. Gotta work your legs, of course. you can also generate workouts based off your criteria using AI. Here we go. And you can track your history of all of your workouts. You can also archive workouts, view archives, And of course, it's self-hostable, and this is the easiest one to self-host. You can also track your recovery. As of right now, the Archer Life suite of applications can't exactly communicate with each other, but that is future and planned implementation. I kind of wrote myself into a corner a bit when I built each one with a different language. For instance, this one is built with Golang, so I had to roll my own off, so it's kind of very simple. And for instance, if you was to unlink your Google account, you couldn't link another Google account, but you could with Archer Fitness. And with Archer Health, I decided, you know what, like also, Archer Fitness is using Next off. With Archer Health, I said, you know what? How about I use someone else's off? And so I built this user Clerk. And Clerk is really nice, but I am unexperienced with it, if I'm being honest. So there's a lot of things that you can do that I genuinely don't know. For instance, I mean, you can add secondary email accounts. You can link other OAuth systems if I wanted to see my active devices, delete, set passwords. It's genuinely really nice to now roll your own off. And technically, Archer Agua can connect to Archer Health, but no information is exchanged by doing this. Let's see. Oh, it would seem that current I removed that in the most recent update. Well, look forward to the connection between them all. And as of right now, just to give you an update on what I plan to do, I plan to have more of a education system inside of Archer Health and Archer Fitness. It's really important to know what you're doing and not just do it just because someone said so. And I believe that these tools could really help someone get from where I was to where I am now, and hopefully help me get from where I am to where I want to be. Because I plan to do one handstand push-ups. So thank you for all watching this video if you made it this far, and that has been Archer Life.